Welcome to Paradise View. In this occasion, we are going to demonstrate a fire alarm inspection using our mobile phones. But first of all, let's talk a little bit about what is our mobile phones. We take your paper forms and we transform into a smart mobile forms that is more efficient, and you can have more features than using your regular paper forms. And we're going to show some of those on this quick demo. Let's see if I can show you my tablet here. System is a little bit slow. So here we can see the screen of my tablet, which I'm sharing with you via TeamViewer, and I'm launching the GoForms application. As you can see, this is the home screen of my app, same one you can see through your tablet or smartphone. And we are going now to complete real quick the fire inspection form, which I have here on my home screen. It's a little bit slower, but it's the connection, the Bluetooth connection between my tablet and my computer. It's not the network. So this is what you have in the field. There are two ways to complete these forms. You can complete it either in this view as a PDF, or you can just change the view if you have a smaller device like a smartphone, which the screen is smaller. And all these blue boxes that you see, which are your templates, then all you have to do is click on the menu on the bottom, go to the left-hand page, and you can see now is the tabs. What I call these tabs are just your template. So you are filling your template, which makes it easier in the field when you have a smaller device. So we're going to do a half and half, just to show you some of the benefits. So as my customer's name, let me see that I'm going to do a Walmart store, and the contact person is Smith. Phone number. Just randomly here. Let me show you how this is looking on my form. As you see, the fields that I just typed in are there. So the purpose of my inspection, let's say that is just internet maintenance here. And for the device, I'm going now to my table. When I click on device, I have a menu that I have already arranged. So I'm going to take smoke detector right here. Maintenance, this is maintenance number 1. My question was, is the mount secure? Yes. What type of mount? It's a ceiling mount. And just to give you the benefit of reading the fields as I am, I'm going to change the view so you guys can see. Let me go section A, which is the one that we've been filling. Okay, we're still on row 1. Evidence of physical damage? No. Ventilation clean? Yes. Confirm trouble in the panel? Yes. my date. So reset up for today's date. I click OK. It's done. Let's see that this is on a hallway. I'm going to do one more device. Row number 2. Device. Let's say it is a strobe light. Type of maintenance. Maintenance when? Is the mouse secure? Yes, it is. What type of mount it is? Oh, it's a wall mount. Evidence of physical damage? No. Is the ventilation clean? Yes, it is. Coffin trouble in the panel? Yes. Today's date. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And I hit OK for today's date. So these forms is a generic forms that I have created for the benefit of those who want to try our mobile forms. I have pages 2, 3, and 4, which allows you to inspect a larger fire alarm over 100 devices. So I'm going to skip this part, and I'm going to go to my section of service explain. Let's say that I exchanged, that I replaced a broken smoke detector, right? This one. And now I go to my signatures part. Let's take up the name. The Robinson. And the technician signature, so you know that with every device that you can capture remotely with your finger your signature. So I'm gonna do something real quick here. Hit OK. And also the customer signature. Of course, when you do it directly on your phone or your tablet, you can have a better signature, but I'm doing it through my laptop right here. So let's go to the phone part, the GPS's location. So I'm going to click here to capture my GPS location. I can zoom in, zoom out. I have my street map, my satellite map, excuse me, and also the terrain map in case of those working on inspection in a remote place when there is no road map for references. Then I take my terrain map. In this case, I'm going to go to the regional road map. Here we are, and I hit OK. And I hit OK. There you go. I can also attach a photo because I have a broken smoke detector that I want to that I replaced, and I want to provide some evidence about the job that I just did. So let me go here to this download. I just downloaded some pictures here. Yeah, here is my broken smoke detector. And I can also attach another one for my trouble in the panel. Here it is. I can also add a sketch real quick. So here's my room, and it's located right here. Okay, I'm done. So let me show you. Okay, I did this before. How my form looks like. I'm gonna hit complete. This one is now is already available in the cloud. Let me show you in my form, in my tablet, how this form looks like. We have the heading, the two devices that we already work on. And I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit and go to the final part where I have my GPS location and the pictures attached to it. Now, this is what I have done as a technician in the field. Let me show you real quick as an administrator. Now I go log into my cloud and I go to my account and I can see remotely what my field technicians are doing. Here's the form that we just completed here throughout the demo. Here it is. You have form, the devices that we just worked. Can calibrate these letters to be fixed better in the box. It's not a problem. And we have extra pages for a large alarm. And I'm going to go all the way to the bottom to show you the last page that we were working on. Here's the section to explain the maintenance you provide in case you replace any part or you fix anything. And here's the signature you captures and your GPS location with proof of the work, pictures and sketches that you of the job that you just performed. So remember, we're available for an online webinar presentation in English, Spanish, and Portuguese. You may send us your email at info@paradiseview.cloud. We will gladly spare for you time to provide you with an online demonstration of commitment and create a free trial account for your evaluation. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo. Thank you for your time. Until next time.